G'day gang. So we're at 39 Celsius today, and heard a couple of fires breaking out, nothing too huge. We've got there's one down in Rockingham, there's another one about 12 k's from my joint in Sydney Road in Wanneroo. I'm not too worried about that. That'd have to burn through hundreds of houses to get to me, but it's funny, Raymond Gilmore gave me a link to the Sky News for the Wanneroo fire, and it says it was deliberately lit. Of course it was deliberately lit. You know what I mean? Unless a power line comes down, fires don't usually accidentally light themselves. So, state the fucking obvious, we know it was deliberately lit. But by who? So you can see now the wind's picking up quite a bit here. We're getting a bit of wind going, so of course the fires get lit and the wind magically appears. Because I'm east of the fire and it's a westerly, I can't see any smoke where I am, but we've got heaps of bunker fuel. You can see there, it's actually leaking down. You can see it just dripping down. There's a bit of a white fluffy thing under it. It looks a bit like a cloud, but sorry about the wind. It's dripping down, so you can see out here too. Just heaps of bunker fuel. So we've got the flammable stuff dripping out of the sky while we've got fires lit. So, and the winds are picking up. So here we go. It's 1:30 p.m. now, so we'll see how it goes. But as you can see by the plants and possibly here in the microphone, the old wind's getting a bit gusty. So perfect conditions for a fire. We've got the old wind generators going. We've got the bunker fuel dripping out of the sky. Yeah, so you can see it for yourself. Artificial skies, fires that are deliberately lit, and I don't even think it's got bad yet. I'm still holding to my prediction of the hills areas, so we'll see as the day goes on what the next few hours brings. Alright gang, take it easy.